Welcome back to Health Pulses. Today, we'll be discussing an essential aspect of monitoring your health: how to measure your blood pressure correctly. Understanding this process is crucial for maintaining good cardiovascular health. So, let's dive right in.
Before we begin measuring, let's quickly grasp the concept of blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries as your heart pumps it throughout your body. It's measured in two numbers: systolic and diastolic pressure. The systolic pressure represents the force when the heart contracts, while the diastolic pressure is when the heart relaxes between beats. If you want to learn more about hypertension and its impact on your health, I highly recommend checking out our previous video, Understanding Hypertension, linked in the description below. To get started, you'll need a reliable blood pressure monitor. There are two types, manual and digital. Manual monitors involve a stethoscope and an inflatable cuff, while digital monitors are more user-friendly and widely available. Before taking your blood pressure, avoid caffeine, smoking, and exercise for at least 30 minutes. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit with your feet flat on the ground and your back supported. Rest for a few minutes to allow your body to relax and stabilize. Proper positioning is vital for accurate readings. Place the cuff on your upper arm, about an inch above the elbow. The bottom edge of the cuff should align with your heart level. Make sure the cuff fits snugly but not too tight. You should be able to slide 2 fingers under it.
Start the blood pressure monitor, and it will automatically begin to inflate the cuff. Remain still and avoid talking during the measurement. Once it's done, the cuff will slowly deflate, and the monitor will display your readings. Remember, take at least 2 readings, a minute apart, and record the results. If you prefer a more traditional approach or don't have access to a digital blood pressure monitor, you can still measure your blood pressure using a manual device. Let's go over the steps involved. First, you'll need a manual blood pressure cuff and a stethoscope. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position with your feet flat on the ground and your back supported. Rest for a few minutes to allow your body to relax and stabilize. Next, place the cuff on your upper arm, about an inch above the elbow. Make sure the cuff is positioned at the same level as your heart. Wrap the cuff snugly around your arm, but not too tight. You should be able to slide 2 fingers under the cuff. Now, using the stethoscope, place the earpieces in your ears and the diaphragm or bell on your forearm, just below the cuff. It's crucial to ensure the stethoscope is correctly positioned to pick up the heartbeat sounds accurately. Ask a friend or family member to help you with the measurement. Have them inflate the cuff by squeezing the rubber bulb. As they do this, they'll also watch the pressure gauge. Listen carefully through the stethoscope for the first thumping sound. This is your systolic pressure. Continue to deflate the cuff slowly and listen for the point where the thumping sound disappears. This is your diastolic pressure. Note the readings on the pressure gauge once you have both the systolic and diastolic values.
Now that you have your readings, let's interpret them. The systolic value appears first, followed by the diastolic value. A healthy blood pressure reading is typically around 120 on 80. If your readings are consistently above 130 on 80, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation.
And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to measure your blood pressure correctly. Regular monitoring is an essential part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to HeathPulses for more health tips. Remember, taking care of your heart means taking care of your overall well-being. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.